Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, ah if you're a returning subscriber, who the fuck is this? Hello. It's only when I'm filming that people know they will walk around in the house or call me on phone. Today's video is going to be like a little fall-ish inspired makeup look. I just wanted to do something really like brown and muted and cool and neutral, because I'm in Nigeria. We don't have fall season in Nigeria. We just have like rainy season and dry season in Nigeria. That's it. For my girls in the abroad, you can consider this your fall inspired look, if you know what I mean. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video straight up. Yeah. Okay, so we are done with the brows. Oh, the brows are looking really nice today. So now let's move on to the face. The face. First of all, I'm going to prime as usual with my 24K gold serum from Zikelcosmetics. What's wrong with me today? So we're going to prime with this first. This will just like put a little bit of moisture into our face. Feels so good. What's been going on these streets? What's been going on? Could have been a little bit MIA for no particular reason other than other than the fact that I was lazy. Like, it's not like I was doing something very serious or something that made me miss uploading. I just haven't filmed content because I've been lazy. And actually, like, sometimes you really need to allow yourself to rest and be lazy. What am I saying? Don't mind me. Work hard. But before I talk nonsense, yeah, I'm going to highlight my face first of all before I even put on foundation with this Hegai&Esther concealer. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is in the shade Mama gave me. So I'm going to do this. This concealer is like really light, like very light. I'm going to let this concealer sit a bit, and I'm going to contour my face. Wow, this concealer is really not that dark. Wow, have I just been using a too light? Oh, okay, I get. It's because of the hyperpigmentation at the sides of my face, because yeah, see it here, it's dark. It just looks like my foundation shade right here. But anyways, I'm going to contour. What did I just draw on my nose? And okay, let me blend the one on my nose first. I'm going to blend the concealer on my nose first, because this concealer is very matte. It dries really fast, and I think this has dried down already. See, it has dried down already. Like, I cannot believe this concealer doesn't, like, it doesn't even look like I'm contouring my face. Cause see, can you guys see? It just looks like I put my foundation there. Then I'm going to take this Juvia's Place Shade Stick foundation. This is in the shade Sokoto. So I'm going to apply this over the places I did not apply foundation. Yeah. So here, my forehead. I look terrible, don't I? I'm going to blend this now with my foundation brush. Okay, it's beginning to look like I actually contoured now. Wow, that's a really sharp contour. I'm going to take this blending brush now. Oh my gosh, my battery is about to die. Let me just change my battery real quick and I'll be back. Yeah? Okay, so I'm back. So I'm going to put a little bit of concealer just right here and here. Highlight my nose. and my forehead. So let's blend now. I'm just using this brush because it's big, so it's going to blend it really fast because I don't have strength to go and wet my sponge and come back. Like I said, lazy. Oh my god, this is so dry. I'm going to like just revive the concealer with this setting mist. Okay, this is blended well now. Blending properly now. I'm just going over everything with my foundation brush, you know, just like marry everything together and make it look smooth. So I'm going to set my face with this pressed powder. Take this much and set my under eyes. Let me just go over it with my brush so there are no creases. Don't just set. I'm going to set my whole face now with my same old MAC powder. I'm going to take my face definer kit and just, you know, set my contour and bronze up my face. Now for my eyes today, I want something that is like really soft and muted and, you know, brown. Why am I dancing? So I'm going to be giving this Pixi palette, this Pixi eyeshadow palette, another chance because I tried some of the colors from the other palette. This is not the one we used that day. Now I'm just passing some concealer all over. The light is fluctuating, you guys, just please bear with me. I just pray it doesn't rain because I like filming with natural lights. For my first transition shade, I'm going to use this brown shade here and hope it shows up a bit, even a tiny little bit. Okay, it's showing up. This is okay for transition. Yeah, it's actually okay for transition. Okay, this is not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I'm going to take my face definer kit, the same one I used to bronze up my face and deepen the crease. And I'm going to bring this over here, you guys, so it snatches my nose. Can you guys see? The next shade I'm going to take is, this is like a bronzy shade. It's called Mocha. My fingers will perform better than a brush with these colors. So I'm going to put this. Okay, this looks really nice. So let me just blend out the edges again. Wow, I just messed up my face. I'm going to take my liquid liner now. I'm going to do a little, line the top of my eyes. I'm not going to do a wing. For my lashes, I'm going to use the lashes I used in my previous video as well. The Jedivah lashes. This is what, wow. This is what the lash looks like. Like, this is what I have been wearing for the past 2 weeks. No, 2 weeks, I think. You guys, you have to check her out. Like, I love the lashes. I'm going to take my brush and buff this powder into my skin instead of press the powder into my skin instead of dusting it off. I'm going to take my black pencil now and I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to take this same brown shade I used earlier on and smudge down underneath my eyes. gosh, it's about to rain. Why today of all days? I haven't been filming since. It's my eyes, so this is too bright spots. Okay. I think I look better now. Just do this fast. I'm going to take some blush now. So I'm going to take this palette from Pixi, and I'm going to take this highlight shade here. I'm going to take this shade here to do my highlights. It's raining already, you guys. To take some more and put this in my inner corner. I picked up this glitter liner, and I'm going to use this to like just do a little bit of a line on top of the I think I've messed this up. I have the most unsteady hands ever. Okay, you guys, so it has stopped raining a bit, so I just put on my wig and changed my outfit. So now we're going to do the lips. I want the lips to be like really fall-ish, because the eyes are just like they're neutral. So I want the lips to be like really brown. I have this lipstick here that looks brown and it looks greenish at the same time. It's from Zikelcosmetics. What's the I don't even know the name, but let me just line my lips first, yeah? Wow, I look so nice. So I'm going to take the lipstick now and just hide this. Okay, yes, this is exactly what I thought it would look like. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. So this is like really simple and easy and quite neutral. The major statement is just my lashes and this lips. This is the first time I'm actually using this color, like, and it looks good though. It looks good. Like, I thought it was going to be like really ugly, which it kind of is, but it looks good. Oh, like I feel so good. So you guys, and this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed creating this look with me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay.